Can you buy or sell a home in Cherokee County area without losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line? We all want that, right? Hi, I'm Bonnie Lelite with the Lelite Real Estate Team and eXp Realty. That's an awesome question, but you need to do a few things first. First things first, be sure to hire a real estate agent when looking to buy or sell your home. With all this talk about working with companies to buy or sell a home without an experienced realtor, or by hiring a discount broker who will sell your home for next to nothing because they lack the experience to be able to actually compete with agents and brokers who truly know how to outperform them in experience, negotiations, and sales. It makes me crazy. Now, I don't pretend to be a doctor, but buying or selling a home is most likely one of your largest assets right next to your body. And you wouldn't operate on yourself, would you? Well, maybe some of you would, but I wouldn't. I don't like pain at all. And when hiring a doctor, wouldn't you want to hire a doctor that specializes in fixing whatever body part you're having trouble with? For example, if you broke your hip, you wouldn't go to a foot doctor, would you? No, you wouldn't. You'd go to an experienced doctor who specializes in hips. So, do the same with your real estate and mortgage professionals. It truly can make all the difference in the world between you losing a lot of money and potential interest when you're selling. If you hire an inexperienced real estate professional who has no clue about marketing strategy to capitalize on your investment, or a lender who isn't experienced enough to actually know what programs are available for you to capitalize on, well, it kind of stinks for you. So hire someone experienced, please. What about negotiations? What if you were being sued? Wouldn't you want to hire the very best attorney to keep you out of jail or to keep more money in your pocket in case you had to pay out? Of course you would. You want to hire a good attorney who can negotiate between you ending up in the slammer or possibly being bankrupt. Well, I promise your home is no different. Remember, it's most likely the largest investment, so be careful not to hire an agent whose only card that they can pull out is to reduce their commission, because they only care about themselves and not you and your best interest. Hey, if they don't care about you, that means they can't negotiate on your behalf, and it could end up costing you thousands and thousands of dollars. So take my advice. Being a specialist and genuinely caring about people and knowing how to negotiate is the right choice when purchasing or selling your largest investment. I'm Bonnie Lelite with the Lelite Real Estate Team with eXp Realty. Be sure to reach out to me for any of your real estate needs. And remember, we love bringing homes and people together.